Alright guys, so today we have Bitcoin at 60k. Now, here we are. Bitcoin at 60k. What does this mean now? Did you just miss the bull market? For those that are still sidelined, for those that the whole of 2023 have been thinking that Bitcoin is going to drop. Well, here we are guys, 60k. Now many here are still sidelined and many are still in disbelief. If we go today to Twitter, we're gonna see many people are still in disbelief. Many crypto influencers were thinking that we are gonna have a recession, and that a lot of people, when we got into that 30k level, were talking trash. Were saying Bitcoin is going down, we are going to 12k, 10k, and Bitcoin just kept ripping up. Now here guys, I'm here to save you. The savior is here. Throughout 2023, I've been making videos about Bitcoin, bull market, we're going up, this is over, dip is in, and we're going up. And I've been buying. And I've been getting a lot of questions since asking me, is Bitcoin gonna drop? Should we buy the dip? And I always been saying, guys, dips are for buying. We are in a bull market. It does not matter what's happening. And I'm gonna explain to you exactly why I was thinking we're going in a bull market, why Bitcoin is not gonna stop, and why I do think right now, today guys, Bitcoin is not gonna stop, and why I do think now you got few months before you actually will miss the bull market. Now, before we start the video, I have to say this is not financial advice, and what comes in these videos is for entertainment and some education. And now guys, you should know, or at least now what we know about Bitcoin is that usually Bitcoin finds some sort of resistance around the 618. Now many people were thinking we're gonna get rejected here. Now usually that happens, it does actually happen, but for the first time it did not happen. So this is the first point of this video guys. This is really important to understand that now we are going to have the biggest bull market ever, and I've been saying this on my videos, we are going to have the biggest bull market ever, and this is simply due to that BlackRock and ETF are gobbling up Bitcoins. They are buying those BTC coins more than there is to buy, and this is choking the supply, and this is gonna cause Bitcoin to just rally, and it's not gonna stop. And as I said here, Bitcoin is at 60k and it feels like we're still in a bear market, and the disbelief is real. Pain is still to the upside. This means guys, when it comes to trading, investing, and all that gambling attitude, you should know that the market always goes against the herd, goes against the crowd, and always the market wants you to feel pain. The market's job is to make you feel pain. That is why in bull markets, when everyone is euphoric and thinking we are going to 200k, 500k, the market pulls back to make you feel pain. And when everyone is thinking, please Bitcoin gods, please forgive me for missing the dip, please make it drop, it won't drop. If the majority are hoping for a dip, it won't happen until everyone is loaded and waiting for a pump. That's when it's gonna drop. But to keep it simple, to keep it understandable, and keep it digestible, in my humble opinion, as I've been saying, dollar cost averaging, there will never come time where it's easy to buy. There will never come time when it's perfect time. It will never happen. Well, by that never, I mean 2024, 2025 bull market, dips for buying. We are going up. That's it. I do not care. Now the risk is always that Bitcoin could go to zero and cryptocurrencies crash, and this is always the case. But the risk is to the upside. The risk is missing the upside. It's not missing the drop. If it's gonna drop, farewell. We all go back to our normal day-to-day slave job. But as long as it's not doing that, well, it's Lambo status now. Diamond watches. So for those that missed, for those that are sidelined and are freaking out now, you should understand this is gonna be another video where I save you. This is the time where I come and tell you guys what's up. This is the time where I come and save the day. So just for those that do not know, I called INGA. I started buying INGA before below $1, Fetch AI below $100 million market cap, Bitcoin below $100 million market cap. I've been buying the dips, making videos of top 5 meme coins and all that, altcoins and all that stuff. So I've done my job, guys. Done my job here. So I'm gonna do my job again. So let's get into it. Now the question is it late for altcoins? So here we're gonna add the others chart. The others means all the meme coins and altcoins that are not in the top 10. And we are gonna see if we are late to the party or not. So you should understand, guys. Now usually what happens is, as we can see here, it does take some time for altcoins to start running. So to understand where we are at now in the market, we are here. We're exactly here before this parabolic rally from Bitcoin. So you can see now here, guys, while Bitcoin was rallying, altcoins were kind of grinding upwards slowly as Bitcoin put in that first high around that 35k or 40k in the previous bull market, January 2021. It took some time before the altcoins started running, but not so long after. It was about the next month or so, and the altcoins started going ham crazy. And we've seen this as well in 2017. So Bitcoin got above the 618, as we can see here, and it took some time before the real final rally that you see here, that altcoins started following Bitcoin. So it does take a month or two or a few months, which is gonna take us around that summertime, where it's gonna be pretty much late if you're not positioned right now. So now we can see that altcoins are following Bitcoin, and Bitcoin hasn't even stopped. So usually when Bitcoin takes a stop or starts consolidating or starts distributing at the highs, this is when we see that final blow of top, or we finally get to that FOMO phase of the cycle where altcoins start rallying and pulling in those crazy massive gains like we see here. Now that's the first thing, is it's still kind of early, a month or 2 or 3 months away from this massive run. Now there is the other thing, is what if you get into the wrong coin? Now you should know, guys, unfortunately 90% of people would not make money in the crypto space, and that is simply due to that shiny object syndrome. So the shiny object syndrome makes people chase the new narratives, the new thing, the new hot thing, the new coin that this influencer told me about, the new technology on the crypto space that this white paper is talking about, and they kind of start jumping from coin to coin to coin to coin to coin and never make. That's the first mistake that people make. And the second mistake is that they never get into the hot narratives, and you will be holding some coin from the previous cycle that would never ever pump. So here are the narratives that, in my opinion, are somewhat exposed to that huge parabolic rally that we're gonna get, and you gotta capture some of that rally that's gonna happen. So we've got meme coins, metaverse coin, AI coins, Telegram bot. Now meme coin, like it or not, are gonna be the biggest gainers with AI coin. Those are gonna be like those crazy gains. Then you have the metaverse, you have Telegram bot. So with meme coins, guys, as Pepe coin is at that $1.2 billion in its market cap, BONK $1 billion, that shows that we are in a meme coin season. Now if I was on your shoes today and I wanted to get exposed to meme coins, I'll look into meme today, as it's kind of still needs some rally and somewhat is kind of strong enough to last long throughout the bull market to capture some of the capital that's gonna flow into the space. So if I was in your shoes today, did not have Pepe coin, did not have BONK, did not have Floki, even WEF, I'll be looking into meme. That's as simple. That's gonna be like the alpha play that I did not miss so far, that I'm gonna be into. Now comes COQ or COC Eno, which is on the AVAX chain. That's gonna be like the second meme coin I'll be looking into. Then Snake on Cardano. Now as soon as Cardano gonna start rallying, Snake is gonna rally. And we've got ladies and Toshi. You pick your poison when it comes to meme coins. Toshi, ladies, Snake, COQ, and meme still early. Maybe not next month, but today I do think it's still early, and that's about it. That's when it comes to meme coin. For Pepe coin, well, unfortunately it's late. Why it's late? Because you need to get in when it's at least around $400 million market cap, or $200-300 million market cap, which where meme coin is now. Now when it comes to the metaverse, simple metaverse is some sort of a technological based narrative based on the fact that the metaverse is the future and people are gonna live into the metaverse and start procreating into the metaverse. So it's gonna create, or if we do see that metaverse hype really picking up, that would mean that most of these metaverse coins are gonna rally hard. So pick your poison again, and if you are counting counting on me. What I am doing, what I do think is still undervalued, is Vulcan Forge. I got into this play here around $2. At $200 million market cap, it's still early. Could go to 2 billion, 5 billion, maybe. But in my opinion, it has the highest chances to capture most of the billions that's gonna come to the metaverse play. Although I prefer meme coins, but I do think it is wise to be exposed to metaverse. That is why there are so many metaverse coins. That is why it's wise to just choose few, and I will be going with PYR. Nakamoto Games, $154 million in its market cap. So in my opinion, still early. Now you can see there are many coins that are hyped up and everything like that. You got your Ultra, you got your DAR, you got your Atlas. The point here, guys, is these coins, most of them rely on influencers to pump them. So you want to understand that these influencers, once they stop talking about these coins, they are not gonna pump. So it's very important to understand that if I do not talk about the coin that you heard some big influencers talking about, you should understand that I am trying to not be an exit liquidity for someone else. So I am going for what's been standing so far through the bear market, and it's what's been showing strength through the bull market that we've seen in 2023 going into today, and that have bullish charts and that did not rely on influencers pump, and that is Vulcan Forge, Nakamoto, and we do have CDFI. Although CDFI have seen a recent rally due to influencers talking about it, it still kind of have a exposure or a big exposure to the metaverse narrative, as it provides some sort of a launch pad, and people are gonna be forced to kind of stake their CDFI coins and thus helping pump CDFI. So PYR, Nakamoto, CDFI, and big time. Now when it comes to AI, I'll be looking into PAL AI. I'll be dollar cost averaging, slowly buying the dips if they do come, but I will start allocating, as this is right now the somewhat undervalued AI coin, and it could pull some sort of a fetch AI play. Could go toward a 3 billion, which means it could go to around the $3-4 on PAL AI. Could go to the $3-4. And we've got the 0x0 AI. This one still undervalued at $200 million market cap. Could go to $2 billion market cap, $3 billion market cap, which means it could go to $2, $3, maybe even $4. And you see the picture. So if I wanted today to get some safe AI coins still undervalued, I'll be looking PAL AI 0x0 AI. There are some small gems, but as I said, it goes beyond the scope of today's video, when I'm gonna share with you that in a upcoming video. So that's when it comes to AI. Now Telegram bots, why I am bullish on Telegram bots, it's because Telegram is a big social media / DMing messaging app that now facilitate trading cryptocurrencies. Now it means that most of the normies, when they are gonna get into that formal stage of the market, they all know Telegram, they all can get access to Telegram from their app store, and which means it's gonna be much easier to understand a narrative that is a Telegram bot than a narrative that is called ZK Sync, DPNS, ERC404, all that stuff. It's gonna be much more easier to understand Telegram bot. So when it comes to Telegram bots, we've got Unibot as the leader, and only at $54 million in its market cap. As you can see, guys, many of these coins are still below $1 billion. We're still early. Most of them go to billion-dollar valuations. Unibot here is at $54 million in its market cap, full supply in circulation, no big influencers pushing this yet. It's gonna happen. In my opinion, it's gonna be one of those last or mid bull market cycle coins to rally, because that's gonna be the logical upgrade of people missing meme coins, metaverse, AI coins. The logical progress of their career in the crypto space is to try to start buying those freshly launched coins that haven't hit exchanges yet, as the FOMO and euphoria starts to kick in, as people start to learn that they need to buy low market cap coins. They're gonna start to use Telegram bots that do facilitate sniping or getting into low liquidity coins, and Telegram bots help you do that. And these Unibot have these profit share kind of system where they share profits made from transactions with holders, and it only has 1 million coin in it. That is why the price is $54, and that is why if this thing goes to $1 billion, it's gonna go to $540. If it goes to 10 billion, it's gonna go to 5k. And the thing here, this could easily, in my opinion, not financial advice, go to $500 million market cap, which means 10x from here, still pull a 20x, still could put a say 50x. We don't know how much money is gonna get into space, but it looks like we are gonna get the biggest bull market ever. As we can see here today, guys, Bitcoin for the first time ever comes and break through the 618 like it's nothing. So God knows how much money is gonna come into the space. But in my opinion, if you want to get exposed to the Telegram bot that no influencers are talking about yet, this is the narrative that influencers are not talking about. And the second one is Banana Gun, is another bot that is on that bot narrative. Pretty bullish as well in my opinion. $84 million in its market cap, and it's in my opinion gonna rally as well following this bull market. In this bull market that we are on right now, still early as well. Now there are many coins. Each of you have their own situation going on. You can always join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join. You can ask me any more questions. I'll be happy to help you out, and being on a community today is a very important, and possibly one of the best investments you can make is to be among a crypto community, to stay ahead of the curve basically, and it costs you $0. So for the people asking where can we buy these coins, now most of them are on BINGX and LBank. These two exchanges you want to get into, because these two exchanges are what we call the poopy coin exchanges, which means all these low market cap coins are going to be on BINGX or LBank, either of the two. As these low market cap coins, they hit later on Coinbase and Binance and Kraken, big exchanges, they do come in late. So you want to be equipped in this bull market. You want to have BINGX, LBank, maybe even Maxi and BitGet. But BINGX, LBank are kind of like these fresh coins. So I'm gonna leave you the link in the description. You as well get a bonus on your deposits, trading fees, deductions, and all kind of perks by using those links. We're gonna wrap today's video here, guys, and for a final thoughts, my opinion on Bitcoin is gonna keep rallying as long as we have this belief and people still think we are gonna get a retrace, and people still think one time we're gonna wake up one day and this thing will be down here. Well, this time is different. As it might seem, this time is different. This time Wall Street did not dump our favorite digital currency. This time Wall Street did actually pump Bitcoin. So stop trying to fight the chart, stop trying to fight the trend. The trend is going up. Please understand we are in a bull market. Dips are for buying. Learn what is dollar cost averaging, and this show is not a financial advice. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.